How to fix Play Store stack on pending. In this video guys, I have the solution of this problem on your Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly to apps. Here you have to search for Play Store. Open your Play Store like this and then go to storage, and here click on clear data, click OK and go back and click on first stop and click OK. And now what you should do, go to notifications, turn off it and turn on it like this again. That's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.